A major U.S. trial is underway today, pitting social media giant Meta against a coalition of 29 state attorneys general. They accuse Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, of deceptively hooking young users, lying about the risk their platforms pose, and illegally collecting their data. Journalist Ira Spitzer has been following developments and joins me now from outside the courthouse in Oakland, California. So Ira, break down these accusations for us.
So this consortium of U.S. states has accused Meta of deliberately designing its platforms, Facebook and Instagram, in ways that are harmful to children and teenagers, and making those design choices despite knowing about the harms that their products would cause to those people. So we've seen kind of a groundswell of legal activity over the past couple years. This lawsuit was initially filed in 2023, and that's why this is such a monumental day to finally have these states, being led by 4 states, bring this to trial. And you can see behind me there, those are families of alleged victims of Facebook and Instagram, and the families of those victims are here outside the court talking about the harms that they say these social media products caused to their children, in some cases leading to them losing their lives through suicide and other terrible occurrences. So really, this is a major day for these this social media company, given potential financial liabilities, potential changes to their products that could be mandated. For its part, Meta has strongly rejected these allegations and says that it has taken steps to make its products safer for young people. So this trial is expected to last for about 6 to 8 weeks. We're expecting to see Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg take the stand. So a lot to watch for here.
No doubt. You know, you outlined some of this already, and certainly people will be watching closely when Mark Zuckerberg does take the stand. But what's at stake here for Meta?
Well, Aarti, this, of course, really calls into question its core products and the design of those core products, which of course many of your viewers are familiar with. These are issues like the infinite scrolling feature, where you can just keep on being active on Facebook and Instagram seemingly forever. There's the like buttons, there's algorithms that recommend various posts that it thinks you might like. So the core of its business is of course being declared by these states to be harmful to young people. So certainly there is the issue of the way that it's designed its product. There's also potential financial liability. Leading up to this trial, there were reports of as much as $1.4 trillion of liability. Now, that's, as I understand it, been reduced to several $100 billion by the states, but still, that could, of course, have a terrible effect on Meta's bottom line if they do face those sorts of penalties.
Ira, thank you for this. That is journalist Ira Spitzer in Oakland, California. Stay with us. You're watching CBC News Network.